Welcome back to Auto Garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and join our family of car enthusiasts, because today we are diving deep into the Toyota Corolla Remix, a name that might sound futuristic, but the car itself has a lot to say in terms of design, performance, comfort and overall value. This is not just another vehicle to look at, it's one that really wants to challenge the way you think about modern driving. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Corolla Remix commands attention. The car wears a sleek glossy finish with sculpted lines that make it look like it belongs in both a luxury showroom and on a futuristic concept stage. The headlights are razor sharp, running with a modern LED setup that gives the front fascia a piercing, high-tech presence on the road. The grille is wide and assertive, making the car look powerful without being over-designed. Moving to the side profile, you can see the aerodynamics at play with a low, flowing roofline and bold wheel arches that house premium alloy rims. At the back, the taillights are connected with a continuous light bar, which not only adds style but also emphasizes the car's width, giving it a planted and confident stance. Overall, the exterior is a perfect balance between modern elegance and sporty aggression. Step inside and the Toyota Corolla Remix instantly shifts the mood. The cabin feels premium with its combination of soft-touch materials, brushed metallic accents and high-quality leather upholstery. The dashboard is dominated by a massive digital display that merges the infotainment and driver's cluster into one seamless panel. It's responsive, bright and packed with features like navigation, connectivity options and smart integrations with your phone. The steering wheel is multifunctional, wrapped in leather with a sporty flat-bottom design that feels great in hand. The center console is minimalistic but functional, offering wireless charging, ample storage space and easy access controls. The seating is supportive and spacious, with enough legroom and headroom even for taller passengers, making long drives comfortable. Rear passengers are also treated with generous space and convenience features like climate controls and USB charging ports. Ambient lighting running across the cabin adds to the luxury feel, making nighttime drives an experience in themselves. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Corolla Remix doesn't disappoint. Under the hood sits a refined engine tuned for both power and efficiency, delivering strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The handling is sharp, and the suspension is tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're navigating city streets or pushing it on open roads, the car feels planted and confident. The transmission shifts smoothly and keeps the engine in the right power band, while the steering is precise, giving you complete control. Fuel economy is also respectable for its class, ensuring that you don't always have to worry about trips to the pump. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and multiple airbags round off the performance side, giving peace of mind to both drivers and passengers. Pricing is where things get really interesting. The Toyota Corolla Remix positions itself competitively in the market, offering a package that blends modern styling, advanced features and performance at a price point that undercuts some of its bigger rivals. It provides tremendous value for those who want something unique, modern and capable without stretching their budget too far. Depending on the trim level you choose, you'll find options that cater to both tech lovers and those who want a simpler, more straightforward setup, making it versatile for different buyers. Overall, the Toyota Corolla Remix is not just another car in the crowd, it's a bold statement of design and practicality mixed with futuristic appeal. It checks the boxes for style, comfort, performance and affordability, which is exactly what modern drivers look for. If you're in the market for something that stands out and gives you an enjoyable driving experience without breaking the bank, this one is worth serious consideration. So that wraps up our in-depth look at the Toyota Corolla Remix. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Garage for more detailed car reviews, because we bring you the latest, the unique and the most exciting vehicles in the market.